What's up, nutcrackers? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making blondies! First you need to preheat the oven and then line the baking tray. And now I need to put 115 grams of butter into the bowl and then melt it. Now let's chop. Get it. 115. We did it. Yeah. Now I need to melt the butter. Add to dilute. Now we need to add 215 grams of brown or granulated sugar. Now we need to add more. This is going everywhere. No. 211. Oh wait, it's too much. Sorry. Oh, now we need more. Come on. Yes. Sorry for the mess. Now we're going to mix the melted butter and the sugar together. Ew. Now let's stir. That actually smells really nice. Now I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This is it. Oh wait, I forgot. You know that thingy-majobber? Like, one side, yeah. One side for good luck, and another side for good luck, and another side for good luck. Now we're gonna crack an egg, and I don't trust myself. I'm gonna get a shell in it. Oh, I'm scared. That was perfect. And now I think we're gonna add a teaspoon of this. If this messes up, it's not my fault. Now I'm going to stir. On the floor. It'll be alright. Now that is all smooth, we're going to add 125 grams of this thingy-majobber. So now that I have my flour, I'm going to add it to the mix and blend. Satisfying. Now let's blend, stir, whatever you want to say. dough. Now it's all blended, I'm going to beat it with the spoon. Beating it. I don't know what I'm supposed to do, that's why I thought so. Beating it. This is fun. Now we have beaten the batter, we're going to add our toppings. We've got white chocolate chips and some raspberries. I think I'm supposed to just plop these in, so I think that'd be enough. And now we need to add some white chocolate. And now let's stir. This looks yummy, but I'm crushing all the raspberries, so it's going purple a bit, or red. Once we spreaded it and stirred it, we're going to pour it on here and then spread it evenly out. Now I'm going to spread it out evenly across so it covers the whole entire tray thingy. This one is the hardest one for me because I do it very bad. It just goes apart. Now I've added the white chocolate chip thingy on. We're going to have to put it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until the edges go brown. See you in 20 or 25 minutes. It's been 20 to 25 minutes, so let's take it out of the oven. Very hot. It smells nice. As you can see, these look amazing. Well, this looks amazing. We're gonna have to go now. Thanks for watching and make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. Bye.
Mace?
Yeah?
You know that you started chucking sugar over the floor before and made a real bad mess?